HTML file, we have created a text area for the user's input, where we are going to take input from the user. Next, followed by a button with an ID button string, and then an output div, okay, followed by a reference to our JS file. And in our JS file, we have created a reference to a button, okay, using document.getElement by ID button string. Now we are going to add an event listener to the click event of the button. We have created an out variable initialized with an empty string, followed by the creation of user string variable, where we are going to assign our user input, okay. Next, in the string count variable, we're going to assign the user's input length, okay, so user string dot length. In the out variable, we are going to put our all the h2 and h3s, that is the entire string information, character position, etc. And we are going to create and initialize the x variable as 0, followed by our while loop. The loop is going to work till the length of our user input, okay, that is string count. And within our out variable, we are going to concatenate the entire string information using user string dot char x, that is going to give us the position of a particular character in our input string, okay. We are going to get our string information in the output div var dot inner html. Let's check this out. We are going to, now this one I have not styled this particular page, so it's kind of not properly aligned right now. Let's skip that part, we'll do that later. Okay, I'm typing, let us check, okay, and let us click on process string. So here's our string information, the character position, so showing us all the position of each of the characters, followed by its Unicode value, okay. See, okay, and next put a comment over here, position and Unicode. And let's move ahead to ends with period, okay. So we'll check if our user string input is actually having a full stop or not at the end, okay, whether our entire string ends with a period or not, okay. So now let's enter our string. Let's type C again, click on process string. See, it doesn't end with a period. Now just add a full stop and click on process string. See, it ends with a period. Now next is character position. So we're just concatenating to our out variable p tags. The first thing is at position user string dot index of e, okay. So basically trying to find out there might be multiple occurrences of this particular alphabet e, so we are going to find out the first and the last occurrences of this alphabet, okay. So let's just type a statement, let us check, and click on process string. See, it's showing us the first is at position 1 and the last one is at 9, correct. So next is character replacement, okay. So we're going to write replacements made. What we are going to do is basically we're going to replace the particular character, particular capital letters in our statement with the letter capital X, okay. So anything present in the uppercase will get replaced by uppercase A. So let's check this out. See, all the alphabets that were present in the uppercase have been replaced by the uppercase X, okay. So next is splitting of a string into an array, okay. So let's take the variable friends, in which we are going to take a string of names, okay, followed by friends array variable, where we are going to assign the array that has been split, okay, using dot split method, okay. Next, in the for loop, we are going to iterate throughout the length of the array, and we are going to assign the entire value, split value, into the out variable, okay. Let's change this to I, okay, and let's see, showing us the split values. So that's all for today. Let's meet with a new video on a new topic. Till then, happy coding.